So everybody was laughing. But because you know that Modi has also created one Geo University, which has been declared as Institute of Eminence. It doesn't exist, but it has already been declared as Institute of Eminence. But that is only, jokingly I said. But actually the concept is that this will be a university which will not exist anywhere. The campus of this university will be entire Earth. The students of this university will be all the human beings on this earth. And the teachers can be not just from the human community, they can also be from the nature. They can be animals, birds, the nature as we see here. So the idea of cultiversity is, I don't know what his idea is. But my idea is that
he is the Chancellor. His idea I am only a chief servant.
So because it doesn't exist, so anybody can say anything now. So what my idea is, and that is what I said when he had launched it, I think 2-3 years back.